everyone, this is Kajal Sen, your English teacher, and welcome in my class today. So dear students, today we are going to discuss about pronouns. Okay, what is pronouns? So as you know, in our last video we have discussed about nouns. So this is also your part of speech. Okay, part of speech. So let's discuss now. Let's start. So a pronoun is a word that is used in a place of one or more noun. That is your pronoun. Okay, so in a simple language, pronoun we use on the place of noun. That is your pronoun. Clear? Pronoun we use on the place of noun. Clear? So now example, Atul and his friend. Okay, so I have no, before also I have told you that what is noun. Noun means basically your name. Okay, any name is your noun. So Atul and his friend are sitting in the room. Okay, Atul. So what is Atul here? Again name. Name is your noun. So on the place of noun we have to use your pronoun. So Atul and his friend are sitting in the room. Clear? So they are eating banana. So what is they here? They is here pronoun. Okay, because they we are using here for Atul and his friend. Clear? So this is your pronoun, students. Okay, so now next one, some of commonly used pronouns are I, you, me, he, she, it, they, their, them, we, us, like that. Clear? Some are like mine, yours, ours. Okay, so move ahead. So now we will discuss about types of it. Personal pronoun. Okay, number one is personal pronoun. So personal pronoun also has some things, some other type, like first pronoun, second person, third person. Okay, basically we know the first person, second person, third person, but what is this? So now we will discuss about it. Okay, so first person. Who is first person? First person means who is speaker, who is speaking. That is your first person. That is your first person. Okay, who is speaking. So speaker is your first person. Okay, like I and we. Okay, I am speaking here, so I am your first person. Clear? Who is second person? So second person means who is listening. So listener is your second person. Clear? Listener is your second person, means who is listening. So that is your second person. So I told you first person means I am speaking. So speaker is your first person, listener is your second person. Okay, and who is third person? About whom we are talking. That he is your he, she, they. That is your what? Third person. Okay, about whom we are talking, your third person. Okay, like we are talking about Papa. Okay, Papa is not present here. Clear? So I am talking with you about Papa. Okay, so I am talking means speaker, means first person. I am talking with you. You are listener. You are listening here. You are listener. So who are you? Listener, second person. And we are talking about father. Okay, so father is your third person. Okay, because he is not present here. Clear? I hope it will be clear to you. Again I am telling, first person, second person, third person. First person means who is speaking, second person who is listening, and third person about whom we are talking. That is your third person. Clear? So now something more about it. So next one is possessive noun. Okay, possessive noun, what it says. Look, pronouns that show ownership or possessions are called your possessive noun. Okay, means anything we are having right to say, that is mine. Okay, on that case we use your possessive noun like mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs. Okay, so these things shows you what? Possessive pronouns. Okay, next one is demonstrative pronoun. So demonstrative pronoun that point out a specific person, thing and place. Okay, these things tells you specific person, place and things. These are your demonstrative pronoun, like these, that, this and those. Okay, this, that, these, those. These are your specific and your demonstrative pronoun. Clear? Next one is interrogative pronoun. What is interrogative pronoun, my dear students? So pronoun that are used to ask questions are called interrogative pronoun. Okay, interrogative, always you know that whenever we have to ask the question, so we use always interrogative pronoun. Clear? Clear? Like who, what, which, whose, whom. I think I need not to tell you more. So next one, Next one, now we will do one exercise. Okay, by it you can understand. So your exercise is here. Fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns. So now you have to fill here what you have to fill? Pronoun. Okay, like my name is Ajit. What is here? My name is Ajit. Okay, so what will you use for the my name is Ajit? We are using here I for Ajit. Okay, for Ajit you have to use here I. You are telling your name. My name is Ajit and I live in where? Okay, whatever. So you have to use for here for him like I. My name is Ajit and I live in Chennai. Okay, we are discussing and we are uh, comparing here with Ajit, this one. Okay, next one is Anita, Sharika and Nandita. Now look here. Here more than one names are here. So Anita, Sarika and Nandita are in this room. Clear? Anita, Sarika and Nandita. So more than one we can see. So what you have to use for more than one? You are also not included in this. So they are member of dramatics club. Clear? So more than one, but you are also not included. So you have to use there they. Clear? Next one is my brother and I will go to see a movie. So in this one you are also here. So you are saying my brother and I. Okay, my brother and I. So you more than one. So what will you use? This is your plural sense. Okay, it tells you about your plural. Means you are more than one. So you have to use here we. What will you use here? We, because you are also in this sentence my brother and I. Okay, you both will go